You are in for a treat today because we are in the community of the RIDGES and this property that is for sale. So I want to tell you every single detail about this property only because this is one of my favorite models there is, and I'm pretty sure that the few communities that have this model, one of them is the RIDGES. So I really love the model. It's super spacious, but at the same time, it's got everything that you need. So please, pause in the comments. What do you think? What do you feel about this property? What can you improve if you have been to a model like this one? And enjoy. The house was built in 1999. Weston was built, the most part of Weston, the new communities, they all were built around that same year. What we have here is the formal side of the property, which they have a sofa here, but really that's where the dining room will be. Then, of course, this one is the living room area, which is very nice and spacious. Look, there's light coming in from every single angle in this property. I'm gonna leave the outdoors for later because I have a lot to say about this. It's amazing. So let's go upstairs. Upstairs we have 2 wings. So let me show you first how everything looks from here. And I want to point out to this wall right here, this wall that you see right there. So keep that in mind. I have something to tell you later when we go to that space. Again, another air conditioner over here, little linen closet. And this is bedroom number 2. This one has a little walk-in closet. Pretty standard room, size is perfect. And this is the front of the house. Now this bathroom will be utilized for that bedroom we just saw and the next bedroom right here. This is bedroom number 3. This one is large. This one is a big bedroom. Bedroom number 4, and this one we can call it a suite because it has its own bathroom and the closet. Again, it's a walk-in closet, super spacious. Look at this. These 2 last bedrooms are really, really big. And a full bathroom here, which is really, really convenient if you have bigger kids. I guess this will be their room. See, I always mention like the size of the bed as a queen bed. Still, you have a night table and you have a lot of space between that door frame to put like a lot of things. And then also they have a dresser. So look at the space right here. Okay, so we are done with the 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom outside and 1 bathroom inside the room. Now the main room. This one is gonna really, really make an impact on you because check this out. This must be like a California king bed, right? You see the space on both ends of the headboard. Perfect, right? It's like still space. Then we have this here that can be called the next closet. I'll tell you why. So this can be a dream closet. Look at the view. Okay, so this one doesn't have a closet, but what I was saying is that this room can easily be a closet. And can you please explain to me how happy a woman can be with a closet that size? All right, moving along. we have a linens closet here, and we have a normal regular size closet, right? Not too big, not too small, just okay. Here we have the normal setup, bathroom with to have a tub, which you know nowadays people don't like tubs a lot, but you know it's there. I love bubble baths. So, all right. So we saw the bedroom, we saw the bathroom, and the closet. Now we are going to the other closet. What do you think? Huh? Perfect. And this is my bonus room right here. I will love to have an office like this in here. I'll tell you why. Because you still have plenty of natural light, okay? This wall right here is the one that I mentioned before. You can open this wall, then you have more light. It can become like a glass door from top to bottom, or you can leave it as like half, put a window, whatever you want. So this room is very private. Really nice if you were to just have an office set up, because it's perfect. I just love it, love it, love it. See the space in this is just like an apartment. And I love, love, love that. I want to show you the view from the main room. So you wake up every morning and you see this beautiful, beautiful view here. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so we are here. Then the property inside is 3,336 square feet. And the lot is close to 7,600,000 square feet. But look at the privacy. This is at the end of the RIDGES, this house. The roof is from 2000, but it's got like lots of life on it, because they maintain the roof really, really well. You feel like, right, like jumping in the pool. That window is the one in the dining room. So we go dining room, kitchen, little breakfast area, and the family room. So that's what I was talking about to you. If you have like a top to bottom double door in here, it will look very, very nice. I mean, I don't know, but this is really, really cool. Pergola can be a really good idea as well. All right, guys, so I think this is all for my tour today. Again, we are in the Ridges. This community is got many houses, but one of the best things that the community has is the clubhouse. I think it's the second largest clubhouse in the city of Weston. They have soccer, they have soccer fields, they have tennis courts, pools, like 2 or 3 pools, kids pools, I mean, you name it. So it has, oh, I want to mention that it has 2 entrances, one that is just right in front of the library, Weston Library, and the other one is closer to Weston Road. So it's super convenient as well. And well, thank you so much for being here with me. Call me. I would love to help you find your dream home here in Weston, Florida.